Hey Winxers, what's up? My name is Tyler and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a restoration of a Mattel Winx Club Bloom Schoolgirl doll. Now, I'm also using a new mic in this video, so please let me know in the comments if you like the audio or if not, because I really like this microphone and I think my voice sounds a lot clearer. But anyways, let's get into this. So before we start this restore, I want to tell you that it's kind of hard to see on camera, but this doll was extremely dirty, and that's why I did what I did in this video. So don't think that I did anything out of just like to do it. Like I didn't clean it or whatever just to do it for a video. It was genuinely dirty, and like the socks were actually turning yellow and stuff. So I washed it and it came out really nice. And I feel like in some clips you can tell the difference in the colors and some you can't, so I just wanted to clarify that now. But yeah, let's get into this video. And that is all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and comment if you like this video, and also subscribe because I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday at 12 p.m. EST. I post doll reviews, toy restorations, all the things, so you should totally follow. And also be sure to check me out on Instagram to check out pictures of other restore dolls and things like that. You can check it out at the link in the description. So yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time guys, bye!